In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use for productivity, build a weekly routine in the Google Gemini Windows app. We're keeping this simple and effective. You'll craft one clear prompt, then press Enter to let Gemini generate a structured weekly plan you can actually follow. First, focus on the prompt. The quality of your routine depends on the clarity of what you ask for, so be direct and specific. In the Gemini Windows app, type a message like this. Create a detailed weekly productivity routine tailored to my goals. Include a balanced schedule for work, rest, and personal growth. Break each day into clear time blocks, suggest priorities, and include tips for focus, time management, and maintaining consistency. Keep it practical, flexible, and easy to follow. As you write, make it yours. Briefly mention your top goals for the week in plain language, such as completing a major work task, studying a skill, or maintaining a fitness habit. If you have preferred working hours or energy peaks, add a short note, like mornings for deep work or evenings for lighter tasks. If there are fixed commitments, meetings, classes, or family time, include those so Gemini can place them appropriately and balance the rest of your schedule around them. When you ask for clear time blocks, let Gemini know you want each day divided into understandable chunks with suggested start and end times. Asking for priorities ensures your most important tasks come first, with supporting activities after. The tips for focus, time management, and consistency help you maintain momentum. Think short focus bursts, planned breaks, and realistic pacing so the routine stays doable all week. Emphasize that you want it practical and flexible. That signals you're looking for a routine you can live with, not a rigid one. Once your prompt looks right, press Enter. Gemini will generate your weekly routine based on what you wrote. You should see a balanced layout with work, rest, and personal growth woven throughout the week, along with daily time blocks and clear priorities. If the result feels too packed or too light, simply adjust your original prompt wording to match your preference. Use phrases like shorter time blocks, include more recovery time, or emphasize deep work in the mornings, and press Enter again to refine it. That's all there is to it. By writing a thoughtful prompt and pressing Enter, you'll get a practical, flexible weekly routine that supports your goals, protects your energy, and helps you stay consistent from Monday through Sunday.